How can I convert an existing LISTSERV list into a LISTSERV Maestro list? Since LISTSERV Maestro is an add-on product to the classic LISTSERV software, many organizations that decide to add Maestro to their email communication platforms already have a number of existing LISTSERV lists. With just a few easy steps, you can convert these existing LISTSERV lists into LISTSERV Maestro-backed hybrid lists, which give you the best of both products. You can maintain the existing functionality of your LISTSERV lists, including all discussion, moderation, and list archive features, while enhancing them with the extensive database, targeting, and analytics capabilities of LISTSERV Maestro. The process of converting your lists is easier than ever with LISTSERV Maestro version 11.0 and later. In previous versions, you would have had to add a special Maestro email address as a list owner to the list that you want to import. Now, the only step required is to register the list owner address on the LISTSERV connection screen in the LISTSERV Maestro Administrative Hub. When you're finished, you'll see the following prompt on the dashboard when you log in, allowing you to automatically import all of the lists owned by the email address that we entered. Simply check the lists that you want to convert, followed by import. Now, when you go to the subscriber warehouse, you'll see a new list group with the imported lists. You can also import lists one by one on a case-by-case basis. To do this, go to the main menu and select Import LISTSERV List in Same List Group under New. Then select the list from the pull-down menu and click the Create Hybrid List button. Now that all of the lists have been imported, you can augment them by adding any number of new profile fields as before. You can also add subscribers directly through the LISTSERV Maestro interface. As mentioned in the beginning, the benefit of converting an existing LISTSERV list into a LISTSERV Maestro-backed hybrid list is that you get the best of both worlds. You can continue using the LISTSERV list like before with all of the normal LISTSERV features for discussions, moderation, and archiving, but you can also use LISTSERV Maestro to send a mailing to the list with full tracking, reporting, and analytics. If you select Send Classic Email List Posting on the recipient definition screen when you're setting up your mail job, your mailing will be archived like a regular LISTSERV posting. But LISTSERV Maestro will also track all open-ups and clicks. Once you have sent the mailing, you can access the tracking metrics directly on the LISTSERV Maestro dashboard. Thank you for watching.